Hey TikTokers, it is Dolunay and welcome to Filmora's Masterclass. Today we are unlocking the secrets of bulk creating unlimited amounts of monetizable TikToks using nothing but AI. Imagine turning your content dreams into reality, all while keeping your identity a mystery. Let's dive into how AI is changing the game for content creators everywhere. First things first, let's check out these amazing channels on TikTok.
You left me standing on a corner crying. You feel like a fool for trying.
These creators are smashing it with faceless automated content that racks up views by the millions. And the best part, they are doing it in minutes. Here is why this strategy is a goldmine. Stay anonymous, keeping your privacy while still going viral. Efficiency at its best, from 0 to thousands of videos in no time. And these creators aren't just making videos, they are making money. Let's break down how you can turn those views into hard cash. Here is how our top creators do it. 1. TikTok Creator Funds. Get paid directly for your video views. Number 2. Cross-platform earnings. Why stop at TikTok? Post the same video on Instagram and YouTube Shorts and extend your reach. 3. Brand deals and sponsorships. Partner up with brands that align with your content. And number 4, affiliate marketing and merch sales. Earn every time someone buys a product you recommend. If you're unfamiliar with these methods, be sure to check out my previous videos where I explain each in detail. This will help you master monetization and really excel in it. So, are you ready to start creating? Stick around because up next I will show you how to make these automated faceless videos that could potentially get millions of views. It is easier than you think, and thanks to Filmora's AI. Alright, let's dive into how to create automated short videos with Filmora's AI. Once you open Filmora, you will discover a brand new tab called AI Toolbox. Here you can explore a variety of features including screen recording, text to video, AI-based text editing, AI copywriting, and many more. It is definitely worth checking out each of these innovative tools. Now, let's start from scratch. Perhaps we know the topic we want to create content about, but we need specific video ideas. Let's get them instantly. I head over to Filmora and click on the AI Toolbox. Then I select AI copywriting. For our purpose, we will choose YouTube video ideas. Although the platform doesn't really matter, it could be YouTube or TikTok or any other platform. I type my prompt, generate me video ideas on how to make money on TikTok. From the advanced options menu, you can decide how many results you would like to get. I will leave it as it is for now and hit generate. As you can see, video ideas are generated in seconds. Let's copy one and move to the next step. This time I select video oral script and paste my video idea. Additionally, I add in parentheses, keep the video short under 60 seconds and hit generate. And it's done. Let's copy this and switch to where the magic happens. I close AI copywriting and open AI text to video. Then paste my script. I remove any unnecessary parts like directions, labels, and headers. Then I select the aspect ratio as 9:16. I want the video to be vertical and I hit text to video. And there you go, a complete TikTok video from scratch with visuals, subtitles, voiceover, and music. Amazing. I just want to enhance one thing. I want to make sure subtitles are more readable. I just select all subtitles, pick a preset, and then increase the font size slightly. Now it is more readable. Let's watch the full AI-generated video created by Filmora. Incredible!
Hey TikTokers, are you looking to make some extra cash while having fun on this platform? Well, I've got you covered with 10 creative ways to make money on TikTok. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. 2. Brand partnerships, collaborate with companies to create sponsored content for your followers. 3. Sell your merch, design, and sell your own merchandise to your dedicated fanbase. 4. TikTok live gifts, receive virtual gifts from your viewers during your live streams, and cash them out. 5. One-on-one training, offer personalized coaching or tutorials in your niche. 6. Create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, presets, or courses. 7. Crowdfunding, use platforms like Patreon to collect donations from your loyal followers. 8. Sponsored challenges, team up with brands to create engaging challenges for your audience. 9. TikTok Creator Fund, once eligible, you can get paid for your engaging content. 10. Event promotions, promote local events or businesses on your account for a fee. There you have it, 10 creative ways to make money on TikTok. Which idea are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy money making!
Filmora's AI found the video ideas, wrote the script, and made the entire video. Now we are done with the video. Let's talk about how to schedule those, because we will have thousands of videos. Scheduling your posts can be a game changer, especially when you are managing multiple platforms. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite are lifesavers for keeping your content consistent and timely. But you might wonder, why exactly is consistent posting so important? Here is the scoop. Regular posting keeps your feed active and your presence in your followers' minds. It is like making regular deposits into your bank of engagement. The more consistent you are, the more interest you get in terms of follower loyalty and interaction. This consistency helps to build a predictable rhythm that your audience can rely on, which is essential for maintaining and increasing your visibility on platforms where content is king and the competition is fierce. Alright, however, when it comes to platforms like TikTok and Instagram, I have got a pro tip for you. Consider posting manually using your phone. Yes, you heard it right. Mobile phone uploads are often optimized for better performance and engagement, giving you that extra edge in the algorithm game. Don't just rely on convenience. Take the time to open your phone and post directly from the TikTok app. Plus, make use of TikTok's in-app editing features. Add a title, effect, or music. These enhancements can significantly increase your likelihood of going viral. And now, next step. Consistency is key. To really grow your followers and increase engagement, you need to post regularly. Think about your audience. When are they most active? Try to align your posting schedule with these times to maximize your reach. But don't just post and ghost. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments and participating in conversations builds a community around your brand. It shows you're not just there to broadcast, but to interact. And remember, using analytics tools to track your performance can help refine your content strategy, making each post more effective than the last. And to wrap this up, using Filmora's AI tools for automated content creation not only simplifies the entire process, but also opens up incredible opportunities for earnings. It is easy, it is efficient, and it lets you focus on creativity without getting distracted in the details. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your experiences in the comments below. I'm so excited to see what you will create. Head over to filmora.wondershare.com and make your very first AI generated video today. Dive into the creators world, and who knows, you might just be the next big TikTok sensation. Keep creating and stay brilliant.